This is a baseball catchy ball returner hit you guys with that thingy. And this is a baseball, I tell you, 3 times. I'm throwing it at that and making a major league catch. Let's do it. Oh, poo-poo, I dropped it. Yeah. Let's do it. Oh! Mommy, I need a Band-Aid.